so the kids can come and put their piles away because I'm not the maid. I may wear an apron. I'm not the maid. Good morning. It is 8 a.m. and I am waiting for my text from Walmart because I have Walmart pickup from 8 to 9 a.m. I ordered a ton of groceries last night. I think the total came to, with tax, like $71, and there's lots of groceries for the freezer meal lunches. The flu hit our home. The 24-hour bug is going around. Derek got it yesterday. He started the night before, and all day yesterday. His poor body is so weak. And Shaylee stayed home from school yesterday. Half the day I'm looking at her like, you should have gone to school. Are you sure you don't feel good? Because it was picture day. And so I was like, But then later, around 4 p.m., that's when she was like, blah. So I was like, oh my gosh, you just don't know with kids. It's like, are you sick? Are you faking? Like, what's going on? I don't know what this homemaker life has in store for me today. I know a little bit, but come along with me. All right, here's my Walmart grocery haul. I'm gonna be sharing it with you in a different video, so just hold tight. But I'm gonna put all this away. But first, before I put it away, I gotta clean up this bad boy. There's a lot going on in there. Whew, well, it's been many hours later. Paige left. She's getting her hair done and her nails and a bath and all that. I ran into Target. I shouldn't have done that. Now I'm folding laundry, and the load that's in there that was started this morning will go into the dryer. So, like I said, the flu has hit our house. The stomach bug. It's only made it to Derek and Shaylee. Praying it doesn't make it to anybody else. Especially me. I don't have time for that. Well, neither does Derek. But you know what I mean. Too late, Kimmy. It made it to Jonah. I'm too busy to have the stomach flip. It is hot outside. I'm ready for like the fall weather to come rolling in. I saw this funny like picture that someone posted on Instagram somewhere where this guy's like in a tank top and he's hot, and his friend next to him is so excited that it's like September. He's got a sweater and a scarf on and like a latte. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of questions on my skillet that I used. I shared it with you with the breakfast freezer meals. I have no idea where I got that skillet. I've had that for a long time. And I used it once in a while at the old house, but it got buried in the food room, and then you just forget about it. And then I was like, does it even still work over time? Because it's not in the kitchen. So I love this new kitchen where I have room for everything upstairs, so nothing gets forgotten. I can use everything. I love it. So I have a question for you. So I've been getting just a couple, not a lot. I've been getting a couple of statements of your vlogs are different or your videos are different since you moved. Okay. So explain, like I want to know, like down in the comments, like how are they different? If I seem different, yeah. There's been many changes over the last few months. It's been stressful and crazy, and if you saw my Instagram post last week, and I admitted, like, I had a day where emotions that I've kept down for months just came to the surface. Just things that we go through. You know, we all go through stuff. And I had shoved it down so deep for so long, I had to let it out. So, I don't know. What changes is it that you're seeing? I am happier and sadder at the same time, if that makes sense. I'm happy because things are different and changing, and some wonderful blessings have happened to our family and with some of our children, but yet I am also mourning. I am mourning moving and the home we made for 13 years and brought 2 of our beautiful children in 2, and so many memories, and where she's in her apron was born. It's been a ride for me, this whole thing, and the whole family. Filming wise, is it the editing? I'm always trying things new. I love editing, you guys. I'm always like, ooh. And a lot of you guys have said, asked what editing software do I use, and I use PowerDirector 14 by Cyberlink. I don't know, Derek downloaded it and it's great. So if it's the editing and things, it's always fun to try something new and see what works, and I'm really just going with the flow and sharing, you know, same as before, sharing what's going on in my life right now and how I'm making things work in my life. So I got it just a few times, and I'm just curious. I've been asked when my parents are going to come visit, and they are coming out for Christmas. They are going to be here from like the 13th till January 4th, a Sunday, or Monday the 5th. Because Shaylee's getting baptized January 4th. And in our church, you get baptized at the age of 8. Shaylee just wasn't quite ready, so we waited, and now she's getting baptized. So they'll be here on the 13th, which means we get to celebrate Grammy's birthday, which is on the 15th. And they'll be here for Shaylee's birthday, and it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to get in the kitchen and cook with my mom. We did film making strushies years ago, and I deleted all that footage on accident. Oh. And strushies are our pasta. It's like the elephant ear pasta or cheddar. It's like that. I don't know why it's called strushies. I don't know if it's what my grandmother's family called it in her area of Italy. I don't know, but they call it strushies, and it's delicious. So when she comes out, we'll make it, and I'll make sure this time that the footage doesn't get deleted. I have pictures of us making it, thank goodness, because it was precious moments of all of us girls with my mom, Shaylee and Callie, just sitting at the table making strushies together. So I'm so glad there's pictures. So I'll cherish that. This is the pile of clothes. It's mostly bedding. So the kids can come and put their piles away, because I'm not the maid. I may wear an apron. I'm not the maid. So I was recently asked on Instagram if I have started decorating for Halloween yet. I sure have. That's all you're gonna get right there. But it's cute, isn't it? A little cake. Meow. I love it. I'm excited to share with you the Halloween house tour, which will be coming very, very soon. Because right after Halloween is done, and I mean like that night and next day it comes down, and I put more of the fall and Thanksgiving decorations up. I do have some fall decorations with my Halloween decorations, but not all of them, like not the turkey and things like that. So and it's really pretty in this new house, the decorations, so I'm excited to share it with you. But that's a little peek. Yep, I put a spell on you, a spell to watch the Halloween house tour when it comes. Whoa. Oh, too much. You can't look at that or that. Oh, there's so much. You're just gonna have to hold on. Well, Shaylee ate some ramen. That's a good start, and she drank a Gatorade and a half. That's good. She's doing good, just blah. I think all like the major is done. So right now I'm just sitting with her doing some homework. They're working on their multiplication tables this year in 3rd grade. And so I'm gonna help her, whoa, this is bright, with some flashcards. All right, so we're gonna sit down together and do some work, and also, very good, Sheedy, we're doing some clock time. This paper is so cool because there's a dry erase marker, and she could just wipe it off clean while she's practicing her times tables, or multiplication. What do they call them now? Multiplication tables? I don't know. As a kid, I called them timetables. So I have asked Shaylee to put 5:55 on the clock.
Because you don't see the 55 because the 40, 45, 50, 55.
Very good. Shaylee, can you show me 9:20 On the clock.
9:20.
Very good.
Oh, this broke.
Nope.
I know how to fix it.
You are gonna not invite me to donut day at school, but Daddy? Paige is going crazy with Boston gone. Come here, Paige. Come here. Come here. Somebody got a haircut. Don't jump out. Say hi to everybody. Say, I am glad to be out. I just want to be with my family. I want to run around. Should we go potty? Let's go potty. Let's go potty. Oh my gosh. I think she's gotta go. All right, she went to the bathroom. She did good. And then I dumped out what was in my drink and filled it up with water, and she had a big drink. She's doing good. She's got a bone. We always leave a bone in the car for her. So, and now we just get to sit and wait. I think for dinner tonight we're gonna do whatever you want, or leftovers, or I could do, oh, tomato soup sounds good. I mean, I have meals that we planned out and that we can make, but with everyone not feeling good, I'm thinking we need to stay low key tonight. So we'll see. We'll see what we come up with. It just could be an array of things, but Jonah is gonna come home from volleyball. We're gonna get him after we're done here, huh? We're gonna go get Jonah. Oh, she's so cute. Yes, Jonah tried out for volleyball, made the team. He wanted to try something new for the fall. We're so proud of him, and he did good. He did good. So, yeah, he had his first game yesterday, and they won. Look at her. Look how cute she is. Do you need more water? Should I go back in and fill that cup up? Yeah, I think so too. Good evening. Are fruit flies driving you crazy? You sick of seeing them everywhere? And when you think they're gone, you move something and then poof, there they are. Yeah, it's annoying. So right now I'm picking up the kitchen from tonight, and so I am going to make a concoction to kill them. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 that work really well. So let's do this. Let's kill some fruit flies. Okay, I have my tap water on to get it all good and hot. In this container, I have some apple cider vinegar, just a little. And then I'm gonna add some Dawn dish soap, or whatever you got. Okay. I'm gonna put some of the hot water in so it gets all sudsy. And that's going to attract them. This you could throw out when you see all the dead fruit flies in there. And then in this cup, I have a baggie over because Saran wrap is just never works unless you use press and seal. And I have an elastic over it. Inside are some really ripe bananas because they were all over my bananas tonight, let me tell you. So those are in there, and that's just going to collect these little stinkers. And I will show you before bed what we have captured. The bubbles are gone. It's the next morning, and it is filled with those nasty little things. And then there's some in here, and they're flying around. So I am going to dump this out and create another one. Good evening. Our flute